Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Feel the gentle caress of the universe around you. It's a subtle sensation, this cosmic dance, a whisper in the wind that speaks of unseen forces shaping our lives. This is the magic of the law of attraction, a principle as old as time itself. We are energy, vibrating, pulsating, and sending out signals into the vast expanse of the universe. Every thought, every feeling, every desire we harbor acts as a beacon, drawing to us experiences that match our energetic frequency. This is not about blame or judgment. It's about understanding the powerful connection between our inner world and our outer reality. Just as a single drop of water can create ripples that expand across a still pond, so too do our thoughts and emotions radiate outwards, influencing the fabric of our existence. The law of attraction invites us to become conscious creators, to take responsibility for the energy we cultivate within ourselves, and recognize its profound impact on the relationships we attract and nurture. If you found this journey enlightening, please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to stay connected with more mystical insights. Imagine the universe as a vast, immaculate mirror, reflecting back to us the essence of our own being. Every person we encounter, every relationship we experience, is a reflection of our own beliefs, expectations, and yes, even our deepest fears. This mirror doesn't judge, it simply reveals. If we find ourselves surrounded by conflict and negativity, it's a gentle nudge from the universe to examine the discord within our own hearts. Are we harboring resentment, anger, or insecurity? These emotions act as magnets, attracting similar energies into our lives. Conversely, when we cultivate love, compassion, and joy within ourselves, the universe mirrors these qualities back to us in the form of harmonious and fulfilling relationships. It's not about pretending to be something we're not. It's about embarking on a journey of self-discovery and healing, understanding that as we transform ourselves, we transform our relationships as well. Love, the most powerful force in the universe, operates by the same universal laws. We attract into our lives partners who reflect our own level of self-love and worthiness. If we secretly doubt our own value, we may unknowingly attract partners who reinforce those insecurities. This is not a punishment. It's an opportunity for growth. When we recognize these patterns, we can begin to heal the wounds within ourselves, to cultivate self-acceptance and embrace our true worthiness of love. As we raise our own vibration, we naturally attract partners who resonate at a similar frequency. Partners who celebrate our strengths, encourage our growth, and reflect back to us the love and respect we now have for ourselves. Remember, the universe is always conspiring to bring us together with those who align with our truest selves. If you found this journey enlightening, consider joining our Patreon community. Together, we can explore deeper insights and support each other on this path of love and self-discovery. Click the link in our description below. The law of attraction is not about wishful thinking or passively waiting for our desires to magically materialize. It's about aligning our thoughts, feelings, and actions with the vibration of our desires. It's about becoming a vibrational match for the love we seek. Imagine holding a beautiful, intricate key in your hand. This key represents your deepest desire for a loving and fulfilling relationship. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, holds the lock. Your task is not to force the lock open, but to become so attuned to the key's design, so clear in your intention, that the lock simply clicks open effortlessly. This is the dance of manifestation, a harmonious interplay between our focused intention and the universe's boundless capacity to deliver. It requires clarity, belief, and unwavering faith in the unseen forces that orchestrate our lives. Remember, the universe always delivers, but it speaks in whispers, not shouts. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your journey with the law of attraction.